Everyone, if you're interested in getting this bob length distressed butterfly lock hairstyle on any length hair, continue watching. So my stylist did begin by parting my hair in the back and braiding my hair into individual braids all the way down. She did not use any extensions. So she did do the method where each individual braid fell in between one another, and this just helps for the style to lay flat and fall seamlessly. Now we used the Free Tress brand braid hair in water wave in 22 inches, and I got the color 1. This is just like a black. So I counted each individual strand that was in the package. Every pack came with about 14 to 16 strands of hair, and what I began to do was unravel each individual strand until they were fluffy like this for the style. Now this is the method to help get your hair shorter. So as you can see, she pulled the end of my hair with the crochet needle through the top of my hair, and we just began to twist the rest of the hair all the way down, and this just helps for the hair to be shorter so you can get that short length if you want it. If you have super long hair, you can use this. As you can see, it looks like a bolt or something. Then she began to moisturize my hair with some oil so my hair can stay protected under this style. My stylist then took one of the strands of the water wave hair, pulled it through with the crochet needle, and began twisting 3 times at my root so it can stay secure. And then she just began to twist it down. Now if you ever had faux locks, this is pretty much exactly what they are. They're just a little messier. So in order to get the messy look, what she did was put her thumb or one of your fingers in between some of the hair and then continue to twist, as you can see here. Now after she twisted it this way, she did do another method where she loosely twisted the hair around my real hair as well, and that gives it a distressed look as well. And she did the same method all the way down. So she would use her finger for a portion of it right here again, as you can see, and twist around it just like that and continue to twist. So here's a closer look at what we did to get my hair shorter. What she did was put the crochet needle through the top of my braid and took the end of my hair and pulled it through so you can get it as short as you want to your desired look. We did go about halfway through, and then she just twisted the rest of my hair around that braid or that loop that was created from the crochet needle. After doing that, we did go in with the crochet needle again, and I wanted my locks to be a little thicker, so we did use 2 strands of hair. She pulled those through, and she pulled it all the way through on one side just to have it shorter. This helps with the thickness, as well as if you want your locks to be longer, you can do this as well. Now as she was twisting, some of my twists will come undone, but that's okay. So again, here you can see that she's twisting at the roots 3 times just to make sure that it's secure, and then she just began to twist down. Now as you can see, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, the lock is super neat, and then that's when she began to do the distressed look by putting her finger in between as well as loosening up the twist. And we just did this method throughout the whole head. Now once she got to the end of the lock, she made sure that each lock was the same length, and then you can see here that she begins to twist up after she loops it around her finger, and that's how you get the end to have that little spiral effect. Now you will notice that some of the twists become untwisted after making the loop, but that's okay. As long as you put it in with the crochet hair and just begin twisting, you'll be fine. So there was some twist that was not evenly distributed, so what she would do would get another twist of the water wave hair and just wrap it around, as you can see here, to make it more full. So once she completed the style, she did get a hot steam towel and just put it all over my hair and my roots, and this just kind of helps for the locks to loosen up and move more seamlessly. We then added some accessories to my hair, and this was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned from this tutorial. If so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.